we'll discuss about combined mean. Actually, till this class, we are only discussing to calculate the arithmetic mean of a single series. But in this case, we can consider multiple series and how we are going to find the combined mean for multiple series, we can discuss. Let us start. So the formula to find combined mean is x bar 1, 2. If it is 2 series, you can write 1, 2, n1 x1 plus n2 x2 divided by n1 plus n2. If 3 series will be there, accordingly we can write x bar 1, 2, 3 equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar plus n3 x3 bar divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3, like this. So we have taken one example. I am going through the example. The average salary of male employees in a firm was 5,200 rupees and that of the female was 4,200 rupees. The mean salary of all the employees was 5,000. Find the percentage of male and female employees. First, we need to discuss what is given in the question. यहाँ पर क्या दिया है? First, we need to find it. The mean salary of male employees दिया है, that is 5,200. Mean salary of female employees दिया है, that is 4,200. And the mean salary of all employees, सबका मिला के जो उनका average है, that is also given 5,000. So we need to find what is the percentage of male and female employees. So what is given in the question? First we need to write salary, average salary of male employees. Let us solve it. Average salary of male employees equal to 5,000. Average salary of female employees equal to 4,200. Mean salary of all employees equal to 5,000. Okay. So let us put all the things into the formula. Mean of male and female, दोनों का मिला के mean दिया है, that is 5,000. So you can write it here. If 1, 2, the mean of both male and female, you can write it here, that is 5,000. 5,000 equal to N1 into X1 bar. N1 we don't know. We need to find what is the ratio of the male and female. So N1 we don't know. So write as it is N1. And X1 bar, like that is for male employees. Suppose X1 bar is for male employees. The average salary is 5,000 plus N2 into male. The mean or salary of female employees is 4,200 divided by N1 plus N. Now it is in an equation form. So we need to find what is the ratio of N1 and N2. Because question में क्या पूछा है? Find the percentage of male and female employees. उनका percentage कितना है? So we'll solve the question. Let me erase this thing. So I am writing it once again. 5,000, that is our combined mean, equal to N1, 5,200 plus N2 into 4,200 divided by N1 plus N. So, how we are going to solve it? Which is equal to 5,000 into N1 plus N2 equal to N1 into 5,000. We can write it 5,200 N1, 5,200 N1 plus 4,200 N. So, to solve this one, 5,000 N1 plus 5,000 N2 equal to 5,200 N1 plus 4,200 N. So, we can do like this, 5,200 N1, we can take 5,000 N1 to this side, 5,200 N1 minus 5,000 N1 equal to 5,000 N2 minus 4,200 N2. So, which is equal to 200 N1 equal to 5,000 N2 minus 4,200 is 800 N2. So, now we are getting it in a ratio form, like N1 divided by N2, we can get 800 divided by 200, which is equal to 4 by 1. Means we can say the ratio of male is to female. Means N1 we have taken here as male and N2 as female. So the ratio of N1 by N2 equal to 4:1. So to find the percentage, what we can do, we can add male and female and we can find the first. For male, we can write for male percentage, means the percentage of male, percentage of male equal to 4, because we have taken 4, N1 as 4, divided by 4 plus 1 into 100, which is equal to 4 by 5 into 100, which is equal to 4 into 20 equal to 80. Percentage of female, like this, percentage of female, we can write equal to 1 divided by 4 plus 1 into 100, which is equal to 1 by 5 into 100, which is equal to 20. So this ratio of male and female is 80 and 20. So 80% of male and 20% of female employees are there in the question in the form that the percentage of male and percentage of female is 80 and 20. Next, we'll move to median. We'll discuss about median and some questions are there that is related to mean. So, we can discuss those questions in our next class.